Good morning, guys. Today is a very beautiful day, and I want to make a very special delicacy. I just wanted something that has a taste, as in something that can give me very nice taste. Here we go. I have a spring onions, and I have my veggies here, carrots, and name it, just few of them. Then I have just fish. In this recipe, I'm not going to be using any kind of meat or whatever. Then I have my chopped sausage roll, then the pepper, sorry. So just stay tuned and let's go. I know you're gonna enjoy my recipe. Let's go, baby. Let's go, people. Sorry. So in a pot, I'm going to be adding the cup of rice and allow it to boil. I love to parboil my rice. You know, some people would put just hot water inside, but no, I allow my rice to parboil. All right. I will begin to season my fish. Please, with this fish, you don't need too much seasoning, no, just small, please. Let it not go and start to turn someone's stomach. And beside, please, sometimes fish, I don't really like touching fish of a thing. I don't know, but it's always like that with me. Fish. But I like it too much. I love to eat fish. All right. We're gonna at least make sure that the seasoning enters the body very well. So make sure you add salt to taste. All right. So we're going to be seasoning it, and our rice is getting ready. Don't worry to enter inside. Don't mind me. Here we go. In a pan, we add our groundnut oil. And what we start with first is to fry our fish. We start with the frying of the fish. Our fish is ready. Oh, already looking nice and about to be removed. Wow. After the fish, it is time to fry the egg. Please, this is a little bit salt and seasoning that I added to the egg. So make sure you beat your egg very well. All right, it is time for the egg. Don't mind the quantity of the granite oil. Make sure you scatter your egg. Don't allow it to, oh wow. The eggs are supposed to be crumbled. Oh. Anyway, don't worry, I'm going to still scatter it. So let's keep going. You're gonna see my delicious meal today. All right, it's time to start frying our beautiful sausage roll. The sausage roll. That's what we're gonna use to have some taste in the food. All right, we started the main cooking itself. Let's make sure it's very fried. So after the frying of the sausage roll, then you bring it out. It is time to fry your veggies. All right, you add more of the groundnut oil. Then you bring your veggies. The first thing we have is the spring onion. Don't say I'm not using onion. Spring onion and onion is the same thing, okay? Or some people will say it's not the same thing, it's okay. But there's onion on top of the head. Then before the leaves, onion is onion. All right. After the spring onion first, you allow it to just fry a little. After it has been fried a little, then I like putting my carrots last because I want carrots to at least still have this crispy taste. Don't mind my English. Crispy, ndị oyibo. Give it a good mix. This time around, you add up your seasoning of your choice. And with a little salt to taste. Then you give it a nice stir. So you can now come in with your carrots. Now we add up our pepper. This one is very, very important. Then it's time to add up our sausage roll. Yes, nice fried, then crispy. You add up the fried fish. Then you combine everything. Our veggies is ready. It's time for our rice. So it's time for our rice. You add salt to taste. I'm not a fan of salt anyway. Then seasoning of your choice. Yeah. Then after that, we have the curry itself. Then make sure it's not that much. I don't really like it too much. Then we have the curry and the thyme itself. Sorry for the typo error. All right, let's just keep going. Then you apply your water. Then you give it a nice stir. Don't forget, your groundnut oil is important. Very, very important. All right, we go. All right, the rice is ready. Please be advised. Too much of spice this, that, this, it doesn't really help. Make sure that the rice is very dried. Allow it to dry very well before we can now add our veggies. The rice is properly dried. Let's go in with our veggies one by one. Sorry, just turn by turn so that it can go in very well. Continue to give it a stir. You can see. Our rice is already taking a beautiful shape. Let's go. Then you add your egg, your fried egg. And you give it a very nice stir. Tell me that this rice is not giving. Who is there? Who is speaking English for me? Tell me you don't know what you are cooking. Ah. Did I give you to eat? Say no. It is time to serve yourself. Let me eat my handmade delicious. Mm. You can keep watering your mouth for all I care. Mm. Oh my. Oh my. Mm. 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 Have a nice day.